My morning coffee I need. Turning your money into smart money in real estate is exciting and can be done, and it's not difficult. And how do you turn your money to create mouth-watering profits? If you look at the area you choose, and in this area, one area, same money, similar properties, how do you ramp it up into profits? How do you turn your money to work smarter for you? How can you do this differently to another investor that's after exactly the same thing you are? Well, this is the wonderful thing about real estate, what I call the arbitrage, the unfair advantage of real estate. It does give us so much, but one of the little things you can do to ramp up extreme profits is to look in an area, know your numbers, know your stats, know your market that you're looking at, deep dive into it, and with this you will have that Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. You can jump and make decisions so quickly. But on top of that, on top of knowing your numbers, just by knowing what is needed in this area are 3 bedrooms or 4 bedrooms because there's a school next door, take a 2-bedroom and convert it to a 3. What is needed in this area is smarter properties for young professionals because you have a huge office environment nearby. These young professionals demand different things in a property. This you can do, but if you go in and put in plain boring kitchens or plain boring whatever, or you don't focus on security, or you don't focus on what is needed in the area, focus cleverly and clearly, and you will only be able to do this once you know your stats, your area and your numbers. This is an unfair advantage that is at everybody's fingertips. Happy investing.